Hey, cool gray. Just a little brief video today to show you an acrylic pour I recently did. I love the way it turned out. In fact, it's one of my very favorite pours that I've done to date. We're doing oceany colors. We're using some blues and aquas, some gold, and a lot of white negative space. So it was my first time leaving this much negative space. It was very intentional what I wanted to do. I am thrilled with the results and I can't wait to do more of these. So come along with me and let's show you the process. Here is beautiful blank canvas, one of my favorite things in the world. This one's 16 by 20. I'm getting ready to try a style I haven't really tried before. It's going to be kind of a color block sort of thing. My palette today is a navy blue. It's just apple barrel. This is called Caribbean, also apple barrel. I've got a metallic paint. It's a gold from Craftsmart. And then this was just a remainder paint that I got on clearance. It was a nice beige. I added just a touch of purple and a tiny bit of black to it to make it a little bit cooler and a little bit deeper. I've also gotten some squeeze bottles, a regular primary blue, and I think that's a primary blue, and some black, and I may just do some squirting onto the pour afterward. And then I also brought some of just my little remainder paints in similar colors to that Caribbean. In fact, one of them may actually be, just for adding a little bit as I go. So let's go ahead and get started and see where this takes us. So this has been drying for a couple of days, and I do like to use a lot of metallics in my pours, which don't look very metallic when the paint is wet, but you can see the sheen comes up really beautifully when the paint dries. I'm loving this little area right here, just a little bit of cell work, kind of look like bubbles where the water meets the shore. So I'm liking this top area a whole lot. And then it gets kind of heavier and more weighty at the bottom, which was exactly what I was looking for. This is kind of a fun corner as well. So my paintings tell me what their names are when I'm pouring them, and this one told me that its name is Roll With It. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, would you do that, please? It would be super encouraging to me. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Check out some more videos. We do art videos and we do cooking videos around here. And we will see you next time.